the information related to the severe weather warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall. The warning is for the Maranoa, Warrego, parts of the Central Highlands and Coalfields, Central West Channel Country forecast districts. An upper level low will enter the far southwest of the state today, deepening a service trough over the Maranoa and Warrego districts. These two systems will trigger showers and thunderstorms with heavy falls developing. Heavy rainfall damaging winds will develop on Saturday over these districts, extending to adjacent parts of the Central Highlands and Coalfields, Central West and the Channel Country. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding expected to develop across the warning area from this morning into Sunday, and 6 hourly rainfall totals of 50 to 100 millimetres are likely, with locally heavier falls possible with thunderstorms. Damaging winds with gusts greater than 90 kilometres an hour and a lesser threat, but still possible with any organised thunderstorm activity in the warning area. Flood watches and warnings are also in place, and a flood watch for southern inland catchments between Thargomindah and St George issued for this event. Locations which could be affected: Charleville, Cunnamulla, St George, Quilpie, Isford, Tambo, Blackhall, Carnarvon National Park. Bureau Meteorology has issued an initial flood watch for the North and West Gulf between the Queensland Northern Territory border and Koowarumba. Flooding is possible early next week associated with the track of the tropical low in the Gulf of Carpentaria. Showers and storms have been recorded in the flood watch area over the last week, and heavy rainfall is expected to start on Monday, continuing through to Tuesday. Localised flooding and travel disruption expected during next week. Minor riverine flooding is also possible. Catchments that are likely to be affected include Settlement Creek, the Nicholson River, Leichhardt River, Lower Flinders River. Now here's the latest from the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre here in Queensland. Not sure whether it's the Cairns or the Brisbane office, however they continue to update the information relating to the developing tropical system in the Gulf of Carpentaria. Watch zone is Koowarumba to Nunabai, including Mornington Island, Burralula, Wollongong and Green Island. At 4 a.m, the tropical low, sustained winds near the centre with 35 kilometres an hour with gusts of 85 kilometres an hour, located within 110 kilometres for 13.4 degrees south, 139.2 degrees east. It's estimated to be about 365 kilometres north of the Mornington Island and 295 kilometres east northeast of Green Island, and remains slow moving. The tropical low situated over the central parts of the Gulf of Carpentaria is rated a high chance of forming into a tropical cyclone tomorrow. The system is expected to remain slow moving during today before adopting a south-southwesterly track towards the southern Gulf of Carpentaria tomorrow. At this stage, the system is forecast to intensify into a Category 2 tropical cyclone prior to making landfall about the southern Gulf of Carpentaria on Monday. Gales could potentially develop about the coastal and nearby adjacent inland communities between Nunabai, Koowarumba, Mornington Island, Burralula, Wollongong and Green Island during Sunday or early Monday. Destructive winds with gusts in excess of 125 kilometres an hour possible between about Burralula, Mornington Island, including Centre Island on Monday, depending on the future track of the system. Abnormally high tides expected to develop about the Gulf of Carpentaria Case over the next couple of days. Large waves may produce at least minor flooding along the low-lying coastal areas, and people living in these areas likely to be affected by this flooding should take measures to protect their property. Heavy rain with the potential of course flash flooding also expected in areas around the Gulf of Carpentaria over the coming days. Now here's the latest from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. The area convection event 99P was previously located near 13.8 degrees south, 139.2 degrees east. Now located near 13.5 degrees south, 139.1 degrees east. This is about 190 nautical miles north of Mornington Island. Animated multispectral satellite imagery and a microwave image depicts deep flaring convection over a consolidating low-level circulation. Invest 99P is currently in a favourable environment for development with good equatorial and poleward outflow, low 15 knots of vertical wind shear and warm 30-31 Celsius sea surface temperatures. Global models agree that 99P will continue to consolidate and intensify as it tracks south-southwest, making landfall over northern Australia. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 15 to 20 knots. Minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be 1005 millibars. The potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours remains medium.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.